What's up guys, back with another video. So as you guys can see on the title, today we are installing the front splitter. I'm very excited. I think it's gonna look so meaner than it looks already. I know a lot of people were shaming this 2019 refresh, but I personally love it and I think it looks so mean. So for those of you that are new to the channel, I just want to give you guys a quick rundown on the mods we've done already. So I have the regular 2SS. It didn't come with the hood wrap, but that was one of the first things I wanted to do for it. I definitely want to go for that one Elite look. I recently just got these decals. I was actually really impressed. They're really good quality and I was pretty happy with it. Also, when I got it, I only had dual exhaust. I didn't have the quad exhaust. So I did get my diffuser changed out. I bought that from Chevy. And then I ended up getting my exhaust. Same thing, I wanted, you know, that originally I had wanted the upgraded exhaust from Chevy, but they didn't have any available and I really wanted the 2019, so you know I wasn't gonna wait and I ended up just doing it on my own. Besides that, the only other thing I have is an intake, which that was my last video. If you guys haven't checked it out, I'm gonna go ahead and put it up so you guys can see it. And that's the intake right there. That's pretty much it guys. I do have some other mods I would like to get into soon, but as of right now, you know, that's what we have, and in a few hours we'll have the front splitter, which I'm very excited about. So this is the box that the splitter came in. Not sure exactly how this is supposed to fit in my Camaro, but went ahead and took it out of the box and had to put my seats down, and this is the current situation right now. Maybe I should add trunk space to the things that I hate about my Camaro for real this time. Alright guys, so I finally picked up the splitter. That big ass box that you guys saw, I don't know how they expected me to fit that in my car, but and I don't even know why I even got that box just for a simple splitter to begin with, but yeah, definitely had to ditch that, and even putting the splitter in here, as you can see, was a bit of a struggle. But at least I was able to fit this in my trunk. Kind of sorted in my car too. It's just been, I know I don't want to complain about the trunk space, but it does suck that 3 out of the 3 parts that I've bought for my car haven't really fit in my car. My intake I had to put in my passenger seat, which I really didn't want to do that, but whatever. And my diffuser definitely didn't fit in my car. I had to borrow someone's car to get it, so it is kind of annoying, but at the end of the day, I mean, those are really the only things I haven't had space for in my trunk. I can still fit a cooler beer, so that's all good. But yeah guys, the struggle is real, but I am excited that really soon it will be installed, and I can't wait to see what the car is. Alright guys, and she's all out of surgery. The facelift is complete. Sorry for the car being so dirty. For those of you that don't know, I live in Miami and it's literally rained here every day for the past 2 weeks, and it actually rained today, but the weather is kind of bipolar and it's like somewhat nice out now. But yeah guys, it was a fairly easy install. There was 12 bolts from left to right. I did have to jack it up. It's not a necessity, but I wanted to do it just, you know, just to make my life a little bit easier. But yeah guys, that's what it looks like. I absolutely love it. Again, I think it looks so mean and I love this front end already so much. I just honestly love how it came out. I mean, like I said, it was pretty easy. I do recommend you guys have maybe a second pair of hands to help you out. What I did was, there is like an adhesive that goes on it right here. So what I did was that I mounted it with one of my boys, and we tightened all the bolts 50%, took off the adhesive, and then finished tightening it, and it was pretty good. It does also come with rivets, but I didn't think it was necessary because, and if you guys see, that's not gonna go anywhere. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. That's what it looks like. Again, I'm really happy. I love how it looks. Didn't think it was possible for it to look meaner than it did already, but definitely does. Well, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed.